Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video in the amazing world of, well, not Roblox, but Google. But today for the video I'm not gonna be playing Roblox, but I'm gonna try to beat a Guinness World Record. So the current Guinness World Record, the world record I'm trying to beat is the most clicks done in 10 seconds. The current world record is 121 times, clicked the mouse 121 times in 10 seconds. I bet I can easily beat that because, well, yeah, I got the clicking mouse. Anyway, if you guys are ready? Because I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. I already passed the record. Woo! Did you guys see that number right there? That was 360 something. Oh my god, I beat the world record. That's one. Time for the next challenge, the 5 seconds challenge. What's the Guinness one? 5 seconds. So now I'm currently the world record holder for that. Nope. Okay, let's try this. I guess. Anyway, close this, and now time for the 60 seconds challenge. I've broken the record for 10 seconds. Guys, be right. Okay, guys, I just had to go do a bathroom break, but okay. Now I'm gonna try to beat today's top score, which is 0.5 clicks per second. This is the 1 second test. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, there's only someone who's beating. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I also have to go again. It's literally 40 is the maximum clicks I can do. Okay, let's try to do the 60 seconds challenge. Let's see how much I can click. I've already broken today's world record. 3, 2, 1. I've already broken the goal of the day, which is as many clicks over 120, whatever it was. And that's 1,000 clicks in about 25 seconds. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know how did I slow down? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end out the video. I hope you all enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out any new future content. Once again, I hope you all enjoyed it, and see you all next time.